Hey guys, it's L2LT Fit here, coming to you today to give you a short, quick workout. If you're in my Facebook group, I want to provide you with a workout that you can do right at the comfort of your home. So today, I'm gonna give you about 4 different exercises that you can do right at home just to get you going and get you moving. Because even though you're in my Facebook group and you're not here working out with me, I still want to provide something that's gonna help you and give you value. Okay, so the first exercise we're gonna start with is squats. Okay, so a body weight squat. All right, a body weight squat is pretty much like sitting in a chair. Okay, so if you have a chair at home, you can put the chair right behind you. And all you're gonna do is sit with your hips going back first. So you're sitting here and you're coming up. Okay, so you're sitting here and you're coming up. That's a body weight squat. You can also add weight as well. Now, what I want to do is I want you to make sure that you're not bending here and your heels coming up, right? So you don't want to put pressure on your knees here. You want to start here, your bum should be going back, right? So that's why you're going to act like you're sitting in the chair. Squat is nothing but sitting in the chair. So all you're doing is sitting back from the hips, here, and up, okay? You want to go deeper if you can. So here, and come up, all right? You're going down, and come up. All right, so now what I want you to do is do about 12 reps of that, okay? 12 reps. Now, if bodyweight squats is way too easy for you, then you want to do a squat with a dumbbell or a kettlebell. Okay, so I have a kettlebell here, and you can squat holding it up here like this. Is better. This is better than holding it down here if you're trying to do a squat, okay? So you want to hold it up here. This helps you to stay in good alignment. You're going to sit, and you're going to come up, okay? You're going to sit, and you're going to come up, all right? And if I turn around this way right here, same thing. Sit down, come up. Sit down, come up, all right? Make sure you do 12 of those. Do about 2 or 3 sets. Work at your own pace though, okay? Working out is all about working at your own pace and then progressing from there, right? So start out very basic, maybe even 1 set of all these exercises, but work at your own pace, okay? Next exercise we're gonna do is a dumbbell row, okay? Now, provided you don't have any back problems or back pain, a dumbbell row could be a great exercise for you. You're working the upper body, you're working the upper back, okay? Your upper back. So, you wanna lean over here, okay? Just like so. Bring your arms up, here, squeezing the shoulder blades, and then you're gonna come down. So you're gonna come up, here, and come down. Now, dumbbell rows put a lot of pressure on your core and your lower back. So, if that's a bit too hard for you, you can start out with 1 arm at a time. So you can come here, okay, lean over, so now you have less weight in your hand. Instead of 2 of them, come here, you're gonna come up, and you'll go down. You'll come up, and you'll go down. All right, make sure again you're doing 12 of those, okay? Make sure you're doing 12 of those. All right, so now, come on over here. The next one we're gonna do is on the mat, okay? Now, I'm giving you some basic exercises because I'm just trying to give you things that you can do if you're not really working out. If you are working out, some of these might be a little basic for you, but you can always make the basics harder by just adding more weight, okay? So now I'm gonna go through something called a bird dog. Bird dog is great for your abs and your lower back. So it's going to help strengthen those areas and it's going to allow you to do other movements better. So everything starts with your core, right? So you want to start off making sure you're strengthening your core, okay? So on your hands and knees, come here, all right? So 1 leg out here, and then we bring it up here. We're gonna pause, bring it down slowly. This is not a fast movement, this is a slow movement. So you're gonna come up, pause, bring it down. Bring it up, pause, bring it down. Notice that my neck is down, I'm looking straight down, I'm not up here, okay? I'm looking straight down because we want the neck to be aligned with your spine. So my spine is down, so you want your neck to be down as well. So you're coming up, pause, here, bring it up, pause, there, right? Now with that, make sure you're doing, you can do, since you have to do both sides, you can do 6 reps on each side, you can do 8 reps on each side, it's all up to you, okay? Now if that movement is too easy for you, you can also do a bird dog with the arm up. Now instead of taking it back down, you just bring it in, and then you bring it out, okay? So a little more advanced, in and out, in and out. All right, so I hope that helps you right there. Now, so far we did the squat, which is working your lower body. We did a dumbbell row, that's working your upper back. And we also did a bird dog, that's working your core. Now let's do something that's gonna work your shoulders and your triceps. So now we're gonna do something called a curl and press, okay? I like curl and presses because a curl and press, you're working your bicep, your tricep, and your shoulder. So you're gonna be working the front of your arm, the back of your arm, and you're working your shoulders with this combination. This is a combination movement. Okay, so we come here, we're going curl here, and then we're going press. Bring it back down, control the movement, right? So we're curling. Right here, we're working the biceps, right? With the curl, pushing up, working your triceps and your shoulders, okay? Now, making sure your core is tight, because whenever you push something over your head, your core really has to work hard, okay? So you're working these ab muscles and your lower back, okay? So make sure you're really contracting these muscles. So you wanna come up, curl, press. Okay, you wanna come up, bring it up, curl, press. Notice I'm looking straight ahead, I'm not looking up. When I'm pressing, I'm not looking up like this, I'm looking straight ahead, right? Great posture. Posture is very important when you're working out, right? So you'll curl here and press. Boom. One more time. Curl and press. All right, now make sure you're doing a weight that you can do 10 to 12 reps with. Okay, at first I said 12, but it's always good to do a range. So from 10 to 12. That way if the weight is too light or too easy, you can do more reps. If it's too hard, you can do less reps. So 10 to 12 reps, okay? Now, one more exercise we're gonna do is something called a Russian twist, okay? So come on over. All right, so we're gonna have a seat here, all right? The ball, you can use a dumbbell with this as well, but I'm gonna use a ball since we have it here. The ball is gonna be right here, okay? All you're gonna do is turn here and turn here. Turn and turn. Turn and turn, turn and turn. All right? Working your core right here, you're working your lower back. It's a great movement. It's so important to do movements that involve twisting because you're working your transverse abdominals. You're working your abs, your waist. The correct term is your transverse abdominal, but you're working your waist. So it's very important to do that, and it's a functional movement because we turn a lot in life, right? So we want to make sure we're working those muscles so we can be used to actually doing that movement, all right? Now, if turning like this is pretty easy, okay, you can also lift your legs up and turn as well. Here, 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 there, and there. Okay, now, if you don't have a ball, because everybody won't have a ball, you can also use a dumbbell, okay? Same thing, right? No different. Holding the dumbbell here, twist here, and twist there. Twist there, and twist there. Okay? The dumbbell does not have to touch. All right, so let's recap again. So we did squats, all right, 10 to 12 reps. We did bird dogs, okay, on your hands and knees, working the core. We did curl and press, okay, working your bicep, your tricep, and your shoulders. And then we just finished off with a Russian twist, working your core again. So I hope these exercises help you. Make sure you do them. If you have any questions about them, let me know. I'm here to help you. Have a great day.